Hello to all of our Kiwanis friends. My name is Jared Goldsmith, and I'm very pleased to be helping to facilitate the virtual events from the Kiwanis Club of Ottawa. Now, the purpose of these short videos are to help you understand the platform, to see that it's not very complex, and to walk you through it so that you'll be able to have a great experience. Once you are provided the link from the Kiwanis Club, it usually starts with www.event.esacs.ca. You click it to open up the window. It will bring you to a tab that looks like this. You will see the event name, description. On the right-hand side, you'll see the time. In this case, we're looking at the February 18, 2022 event. If that's the one you want to join, you can scroll down, use your mouse and just scroll down a little bit and read a little bit of a description about the event. You'll notice that there is some details there about onboarding, and onboarding just means additional instructions to help you walk through the event, to understand it, a little video how to do it. Now, if you want to confirm for this event, let's say on February 18, all you need to do is on the right-hand side of the screen, you see an option in blue highlighted that says Save Me a Spot. Left click it, move your mouse over to it and left click that. It will open up into a new window. You have a few options. You could log in with Google or Facebook or LinkedIn, in which case you will need to connect those accounts. Or an easier way, what I like to do is just enter your email address and then you click continue. If it's the first time using the platform, you will need to create an account. Don't worry, it's not very hard. All you need to do is enter your first and last name and move down and then create a password that you will remember for next time. Click I agree to the privacy policies and register for event. There you go. Now we're registered for the event. There's nothing you need to do until the event happens, but you can add this link to your Outlook calendar so that you can have a virtual copy of it, or you can click the option that says copy link. If you click it, it saves it into your computer, and then you could open up your email, let's say, and paste it in. And that is the link you will use. It's the same link that you use, the event.esacs.ca/e/whatever the link is for that event. We'll see you shortly, everybody. Now, all you need to do is sit back and wait for the event to happen. Thank you.